Hi everyone! I'm obviously lying now. Kahiga ako. So, this video is about asking you guys if you have any questions to me. And I'll be doing another video about the answers of your questions. So, if you have any questions about my personal life, about sa akin, just drop your questions down below and I'll answer it in the next video. Bye!